All right, so we're going to make some delicious cacao today. One of my specialties. So we'll start off with a little bit of cacao powder, the purest organic, obviously. So we'll do a good couple of tablespoons of that. Then we'll put the ceremonial grade cacao. This comes all the way from Peru. We'll do 2 tablespoons of that because I'm going to get higher following supply here. Put some ghee, organic ghee. Won't go too crazy, but put some chili flakes. A bit generous there. Put some maca powder. Put some nutmeg. Lots of cinnamon. Put some cayenne pepper. Give it a bit of kick. And some cardamom. Oh, just smelling that cardamom, it's so good. Gives it a good amount of flavor. And we'll finish that off with some coconut milk. So cacao is actually, its Latin name is Theobromine cacao, which means food of the gods. And so a lot of ancient traditions have used cacao as a way to connect more deeply to that God within. And how it scientifically works is that there's a lot of, the cacao actually opens up all the blood vessels to the heart. So you start to feel more and you feel your heart expand. So much like coffee makes your mind race, it really switches your mind on, cacao really switches your heart on, so you feel more open, more expansive, and more able to receive love into your life. So it's just like love medicine. It's potion for feeling more love in our life. It also has the highest source of magnesium than any other food. It is the biggest, it's the greatest superfood of any food on the planet. Goji berries, they say has the most antioxidants, but it doesn't. Cacao does. Cacao actually releases serotonin from the brain, which scientifically makes us happier and just makes you feel good. And better than anything, it's nice to share with a friend where you can set intentions and allow that to fuel the rest of your day, because we will experience whatever we intend to experience in our lives. And so nothing better than having a morning cup of cacao, setting an intention,